friends and favorite shoppers, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, just about a month, because I believe my last video was the June Uncommon James mystery box unboxing. So actually I have July's. It just arrived today, just a little bit ago, so I'm going to unbox and give my first impressions with you, and I hope you enjoy. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Alright, so if you tuned into my channel for June, you may have seen I was slightly disappointed with the selection. Each month I order both silver and gold, so you have the option of ordering either or both. They're $25 each, and it's a jewelry item from Uncommon James, which is Kristen Cavallari's brand, and it has home goods, some clothing, and jewelry. So the mystery box is strictly the jewelry. So I'm going to unbox July, and again I get both silver and gold, so I like to see what the options are when it comes to that. I can't just settle for one or the other. I have to have both. So when you order both, they have been coming in one box. So you have this nice sturdy kind of cardboard box, and each item comes in a pouch, so you have both of the items there. It comes with this little pamphlet, and it just talks about the brand a little bit with a note from Kristen Cavallari, so that's in every month's box. And within each item there is usually a care card, but it's only in the bigger item, so it tells you how to care for your jewelry, and it just talks about removing it before swimming, showering, exercising, and before applying things like perfume or lotion or hair products. Those can obviously stick to the jewelry. So I have two items here, a smaller bag and a little bit larger. They're in kind of like a velvety pouch. So I'm just gonna start with the small one. I don't know which one's gold, which one's silver, so we're gonna find out together. All right, so let's start with the smaller piece. It looks like it's silver, and I think it might be a necklace. The retail value is $54. So again, with the mystery box, you pay $25 and you get something valued at over $45. So for $54, you're already doubling the value. So it looks like we have a choker necklace. It looks a little small, so I'm guessing it's a choker. So you have these like beads and then these bars alternating. So let me go ahead and slip this on so you can see what it looks like, and I will give you a few details off the website once I look it up. All right, so it is a choker. I think I really like it. It is a tad small. I have it on the longest setting, so if my neck were a little larger, I don't think it would fit, but it does fit, so I'm happy about that. So I did look it up, and it's called Ready to Mingle Choker, $54 retail value, as I said. It comes in both silver and gold on the website, and the length goes from 11.5 to 14.5 with the lobster clasp. So you can adjust it, you know, if you needed to. And the silver is platinum plated brass. So while I was on there getting the details about it, there were already 12 reviews, and the first 4 or 5 or so were 1 or 2 stars. So while I like the look of it being a choker, I actually had been looking for a choker, something simple that wasn't like leather or faux leather that a lot of chokers come with, or like dangling charms or anything like that. I just wanted something simple. So I really liked this, but some of the reviews said that they felt it was cheaply made. One of them said it broke within seconds of wearing it, and then a couple others said that it kind of tarnished. So being a choker, it is directly on your skin, so with your skin having oils and things like that, I could see that if it were like it is just plated, that it could tarnish. So I'm curious to see how it wears, what the life of it is gonna be. So, you know, it's a gamble when you do these mystery boxes. You never know what you're gonna get. So this is the silver piece. Overall, for the look and fashion of it, I'm excited. Like I said, I wanted a choker. So for me, you know, I'm happy with this, and we'll just have to see. So that is the first item. I'm gonna move on to the gold item next. All right, so here we have the gold item. It looks like it is a pair of earrings, very simple looking earrings. So let me get them out of the little plastic bag here. These gold earrings are retailed at $52. So they're very kind of simple gold, and looks like the shape is almost like an arrow or a triangle. And from the looks of it, it looks like when they're in your ear, they're not laying flat, they're sticking out. So they're kind of like an arrow coming out of your ear, I guess. So let me look up some details on this, put these on so you can see how they wear, and give you a few more details. All right, so for the gold item, again, they're a pair of earrings for $52. They're so small that it's really hard to see. So they are an arrow. So on the website, I looked them up, and they're called the arrow earrings. And they did come in only gold, and it looks like they're sold out online. So I really liked the description on the website for these. It said a reminder of your courage and determination to move forward. So I think with the times we're going through with COVID and all the hardships people are experiencing, and not to mention everything surrounding Black Lives Matter and all of that, I think that's a really good message and a good choice to put in the July box. So they are very simple. I'll probably wear them just because I like simplicity, especially at work. Probably one of my least favorite items out of all of the all of the mystery boxes that I've ordered so far. But that's, I think, still because the very first box that came, I was just blown away. One of the earrings, I think it was the hypnotized ones in gold, were valued at $72. So I haven't seen an item come close to that value yet since then. They're all right around the $50 price point. So back to the arrow earrings, they're 14 karat gold plated titanium alloy, non-nickel, and there are little crystals. It's really hard to see, but they say they're specially sourced crystals, and then it has a steel coated backing. There's a few reviews on there. It looks like people who did get the item in their July mystery boxes, and overall they're good. 3 to 5 stars. I think more so it depends on the person's personal style, what they rated it, because there's really nothing wrong with them. It just depends on your own personal style. So these are the gold item I received in my mystery box. I'm really curious each month to see if they send different items. Last month I had a few different subscribers say that they did receive different items. So if you received different or the same, be sure to comment below, because I'm really interested. I think even though, I wouldn't say I'm disappointed in this item. It's just probably my least favorite. I think I will continue to order the mystery boxes, more so out of curiosity at this point to see what comes. So I will film August as soon as I get it. So every first of the month is when you can order the items on the website. If you don't get the email or text, you can go on the website first thing in the morning, and they're already on there. If you just search mystery, you'll find them. So I don't wait to get the email that they're available. I just know on the first I can go on the website and purchase them. So I always add gold and silver to my cart. So thank you for tuning in and continuing to tune into my channel. I know content has been really light in the last month, but I have returned back to the hospital I work in, so I'm no longer working from home, and I sort of picked this up as a hobby while I had some extra time on my hands. So while I don't have as much time on my hands, I do still enjoy doing this. I'll continue to do the Uncommon James mystery boxes, but if anything else comes up between now and then, I hope you decide to tune in. I do have another Shein order coming. I don't know when the delivery is. It doesn't say. I think it says like July 20th is the expected date. So I have 22 items coming in that Shein shipment. So if that interests you, be sure to stay tuned to my channel, subscribe below, and that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in.